Error code 0x887A0006 in Stalker 2, heart of Chornobyl, indicates a GPU crash, specifically a device removed state. This is often caused by DirectX, DXGI issues, where the system disconnects or resets the GPU due to driver failures, overheating, or hardware incompatibility. This error commonly occurs during graphically intensive scenes like firefights or radiation storms, where the game demands high VRAM usage. To address this, ensure your GPU meets the minimum VRAM requirement of 8 GB, with 16 GB recommended for 4K settings. The good news is that post-release patches have significantly reduced the occurrence of this error. However, older hardware and demanding scenarios can still trigger it. To fix error 0x887A0006, start by updating your GPU drivers to the latest W8QL certified versions from NVIDIA or AMD. NVIDIA users should install Game-Ready Driver 580 or later, which includes a Stalker 2 profile for optimized performance. Monitor your GPU temperature using tools like MSI Afterburner, ensuring it stays below 85 degrees Celsius. Lowering in-game settings such as disabling ray tracing or reducing resolution can help decrease GPU load. Additionally, enabling VSync to cap frame rates can prevent driver timeouts. If problems persist, perform a clean driver install using DDU. Finally, verify the integrity of your game files through Steam. Remember, preventive maintenance is key. Regularly updating drivers and monitoring your hardware will minimize future crashes.